Sir,
Yes.
after every practical, we have to.
Delegation of control. So, what is delegation of control? So, we have already seen delegation of control, right? The process of decentralizing management of OUs, assigning management of an OU to another user or group or some level of administration. So, for example, I am having a domain controller. Let's say I am having a user called Shweta, and I want that Shweta should log in on a domain controller and she can create users and she can reset users password. So that is delegation of control. We are decentralizing management of OUs, right? So I am giving her, I am asking her to manage some OUs. So assigning management of an OU to another user or group or some level of administration. So what kind of administration you can assign? So we'll see in that moment. It eases administration by distributing routine administrative tasks to another user or group. So either you can distribute this routine administrative task to another user who is a junior admin or to a senior manager of that department also. So it is useful for smaller offices or limit administrative scope, and you can give to interns also. So for example, if you go to the floor as a new joinee, you can get this kind of control, right? To manage little bit of task. You will not get complete access to Active Directory. So that is delegation of control. So how to configure delegation of control? So what we'll do, we'll go to our domain controller. Only domain controller is required because we want to assign permissions to a user. Right? I log in to my domain controller as administrator at sandy.com, and I'll take my script of yesterday or day before yesterday to create OUs. Right, I'll edit the script, and so here I'll replace, I'll edit and replace, sorry, this with Sandy. Replace all. Right, so everywhere it is replaced, and I'll save as a batch file. So desktop OU creation dot bat, and I'll give the coach and save. So I'll right click and run as administrator. So you can see it is succeeded, right? Everything succeeded. Now if we go to tools, Active Directory users and computers. So I'm having in, under that in I'm having Bangalore and Delhi users. Right. So first of all I'll move Swati. So or I'll move Swati and Simran to my Delhi OUs. And I'll also move Neha. Neha I don't have. So on Bangalore OUs, I'll create a user Neha. Sorry, Neha. Password India at the rate 123. Next and finish. I'll copy the user and I'll create another user. Right. So let's say Madhu India at the rate 123 is the password. And you can see this settings came from the user Neha as I copied the user Neha. Right, so next and finish. I'll copy Madhu. I'll create one more user. Let's say we have Ria. We'll create Ria. Right, we'll create a user Ratan. What's your last name, Ratan?
Sir Chaturvedi.
I'm sorry for spelling if spelling is wrong. Next and finish. Right, so we have created 4 users. We'll create fifth user afterwards. So Surbi will not be happy, so we'll create a user Surbi, right? So let's say I want to give rights to Swati, or let's say I'll create a user Shweta here. Shweta, password India @123. Next and finish. Right, so if I go to properties of Shweta, member of, so she is only member of domain users. Right, she is member of only domain users. So she can't do anything at present. She is a normal user. Now I want to assign Shweta to Bangalore users. She can manage Bangalore users. So that can be done with the help of delegation of control. So if I right click on Bangalore users, and you can see we have delegate control. So I want to delegate only on Bangalore users. So if we need to right click on Bangalore users, delegate control. Then next, right here we need to add users and groups to whom we want to give permissions. You can add groups also, you can add users also. So we'll add Shweta here. So add Shweta.
Simran sir.
Shweta. Simran
Simran,
having
Simran sir.
Shweta. Simran is having enterprise admin rights, so she can do everything by default. Right? So we have added Shweta here. So she is our junior admin. Okay, we'll move next. Now here you can see what we can give. Create, delete and manage user accounts, reset user passwords and force password change at next logon, read all user information, create, delete, manage groups, modify the members of a group, manage group policies, etc. We have multiple things which we can assign. So I don't want to assign everything. I'll click or I can assign, say here I can give create, delete and manage user accounts. I don't want to give delete or manage user accounts. I don't want to give only create, and I want to only give reset password accounts. So we'll go with create a custom task to delegate. Next. Now here I can select this folder, existing objects in the folder and creation of new objects in the folder. Yes. Next. Now here the things come. So create all child objects, read all properties, right? I want to give write all properties. Then okay, I have given write all properties. Sorry, I will remove write all properties. Back. We go next, and here create all child objects and probably not child objects, creation and deletion of specific child objects. Okay, we'll go with the previous option only. I need to search that. So create, delete and manage user accounts and reset user's password. Right, we'll move next and finish. So I have given Shweta to manage objects, delete objects and reset user's password in the Bangalore OU. She can't do anything in Delhi user. So she is residing in Delhi users OU, and she here in we have Swati and Simran also. So now we will ask Shweta to log in. So Shweta can log in, na? We will log off administrator and we log in with Shweta.
No, sir.
Why? Why she can't log in?
Sir, she is. Because GPU
She is not domain.
is not.
Hmm?
No, Simran can log domain controller. She can.
Because she got this, she is not local domain, sir.
Because by default users can't log into a domain controller. This is our domain controller. We need to permit her to log on locally on the domain controller.
Yes, sir.
Right? So we'll go to group policy management. We'll expand domains, expand domain name, expand domain controllers, and we have our policy. We'll right click, edit. We'll go to policies. We'll go to where? Administrative template, na?
Windows settings.
Windows settings. Okay, then.
Security settings.
Then.
Local policy.
Then.
User
User ID assignment. Then. Allow logon locally. And Simran is already added. We'll add Shweta also. Okay, 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 and close, and close, close, and GP update. Right, so we'll log off with administrator credentials and we'll log in as Shweta. Right, Shweta at sandy.com. Now we'll go to server manager. She goes to server manager. Shweta, first we'll see. Yeah, display setting, it will automatically correct it. Okay. Server manager. So she will provide her own credentials only. Shweta at sandy.com, password india@123. It will ask her go to tools. What is here? Okay, refresh. Tools, Active Directory users and computers. Right, she is able to go to Active Directory users and computers. She expands domain name. Shweta is expanding INOU. She is expanding Bangalore OU, and we have Bangalore users. So she is able to modify Ria's password. Right click and reset password. Right, so let's say we'll give Ria's password as world@123 instead of India, world@123, and okay. So you can see Shweta is able to modify the Ria's password. She wants to create a user here. Right click, new user. So you can see if I right click new, you can see she has only one thing, user. She doesn't have group, she doesn't have OU, anything. Whereas in Simran, as Simran is enterprise admin and administrator, so administrator is domain admin as well as enterprise admin. So Simran and administrator both have full rights to create any object, whereas Shweta is able to create only a user. Right, so let's say we'll create a user Surabhi. I don't know whether spelling is right or wrong. Password India@123. Next and finish. Right, so we have created a user Surabhi. So she is able to create a user Surabhi. Now if she wants to modify any user in Delhi OU, right, so she wants to reset the password of Swati. So reset password. So she gives world at the rate 123, world at the rate 123, and OK. Right, what it is getting? She is getting Windows cannot complete the password change for Swati because access is denied. Access is denied. She can't do anything in that OU. So she tries to delete Swati. She gets angry and she tries to delete Swati's account. Right? You do not have sufficient privileges to delete Swati. She wants to create a user here now. Right click. So where should we go? Right click.
New, but
Where is
new is
new?
not here.
It is not there. So if she right clicks on Delhi users also, there is no new. If she right clicks here, she has new. You can see. So this is delegation of control.